Hey everybody, this is Junior Crampful once again coming to you from Tilly Harley-Davidson of Salisbury. It's our weekly video through the parts department. This week I'm going to talk a little bit about the touring Tour-Pak. I know Daytona's around the corner. It'll be here before you know it. I'd like to come over some things that Harley offers. It is the Tour-Pak Lid Organizer liner that Harley-Davidson offers. And also I want to do the Tour-Pak Wall Organizers. They go around the side of the wall. So I'm going to do a short video on both of these items to show you how to install them. They're easy to install, quick and simple. Okay, the first item we got is our lid organizer. Like you can see, it has multiple pouches, cell phone pouch, individual items where you can put in different pouches here. Like I said, this is a simple, easy installation on it. Real easy to put in. So what it is, we're going to do a process of how to put it in real quick. Alright, first thing you want to do, you have these alcohol pad wipes that come in the kit. What you want to do is you want to open them up, and then once you got them open, you can just clean all around the surface here. Clean in here also real good. Clean in this area and up here too. So like I said, you got multiple of these wipes you want to clean up real good to get all any kind of gunk or debris, that's inside here. Once you clean it up, what is, you notice you take your Tour-Pak lid organizer, in the back of every strip here is adhesive. It's like adhesive backing. And this one's good. And what I'll do is I'll peel it off here. And if you notice, when you peel it off, it's real sticky. So once you peel all these off, what you would do is take the liner, and what I would do is just sort of adjust it here. Just sort of set it in to get you an idea of where you're at. Now there is an extra piece of Velcro that goes right here that connects this from your tether. It is a small piece here. You can install this after you get the liner installed. What you would do is you just slide it in. I would pull this around the tether, come up and pull it back. Make sure you're fit around the tether real good. That way nothing's binding. Slide it in further. And you're around here, and around the corner there. And you notice it's real good and formed. So what I would do is just push it in further, and all your adhesive will stick to the Tour-Pak inside where you cleaned it. And that's basically all it is once it's installed, it stays in. And it does have a 5-pound minimum, as you can see right here, weight capacity, but it does hold a lot of stuff. And that is your Tour-Pak Lid Organizer. Alright everyone, this is our Tour-Pak Wall Organizer. It is 3 pieces. These 2 items are your side. This is your front. You can see where it's notched out. This will be the front. And it does come with multiple pieces. It comes with 4 pieces of this. You have 2 long, 1 sort of semi-long, and 1 short right here. So these are items that you'll need to install this. Alrighty, and we're going to start on one side of the Tour-Pak organizer on the wall. What you start off first, you got your alcohol wipe, one of the sides, and one of the strips here. So basically what you want to do is first open up your alcohol wipe, pull the liner back, and this is for Tour-Pak models with the internal liner, inside liner there. You take your wipe in here real good all the way across. You want to get it good and clean. Make sure nothing's in there. Like I said, wipe it really good. Once you're done with the cleaning, what I would do is let it dry for a second while you fix these 2 items. And as you notice, this is your top. Basically what you want to do is you only want to take the top one off. The top one is you want to use is you peel it back. Like I said, this is a sticky backing. Once you peel it back, what you want to do is you want to place it inside in the liner right here. So basically that is stick in, and you go right below the screws here on the Tour-Pak lock and latch. And basically what it's going to do is you'll go back to your item here again. What it does, this particular piece velcros on to your side piece, and basically this is the piece that you strip and stuck inside here internally. It will go into here. And by sticking it in first, it's easier to adjust. So basically all it does is it folds like this. We'll pull your liner back. And it hooks into your Velcro there. And once it's in, it stays. And once it latches shut, it's stationary. It does not go anywhere. Now once again, you got your bottom piece. This piece, you don't peel off, you leave it alone, or you can take it off. And I'm going to pull this back up. And it stays off. There's no need for anything or any kind of gluing or anything for this. And once again, you'll go back to the inside of the liner. Put it in. And it straps. And there it is. And that's your position of your liner. Now that's your side walls. And you're also your front wall. It goes on the same way as the side walls. So that's the installation on the Tour-Pak sidewall storage. Once again, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. And this is Junior at Tilly Harley Davidson of Salisbury, and I ride with Tilly.